These are 3 things I will never do now that I understand universal laws and how powerful our subconscious mind is. You will never hear me talk shit about myself. Like, I hype myself up 24/7. I get up in the morning and I tell myself how much I look at myself in the mirror and I tell myself, I love you so much. You're an amazing person. You're powerful. You're intelligent. You're beautiful. I love your skin. I love your hair. I love your body. Like, I hype myself up 24/7. And you need to be doing that too. Because I'm telling you right now, you become so magnetic when you have so much self-love for yourself. It's such a high frequency and you become so magnetic to opportunities, to success, to love interest, to just people respecting you and treating you so differently. Like, I can't tell you how transformative your life will be once you put so much love into yourself, because everyone has to reflect how you feel internally. Number 2, I will never say terms like, I can't afford it, it's too expensive, oh, I can't do that. No, because I can do everything and I can afford everything and nothing's expensive because money flows into my existence like water. These are the things, these are the mindful swaps you need to start getting into your head. When something comes up that triggers you and you're like, oh my gosh, that's too expensive, oh my gosh, my bills are coming out, I don't have enough money, stop it, change it, switch the story. Get delusional. It doesn't matter. Even if it doesn't seem natural in the beginning, it doesn't matter. This is how you you reprogram your brain. This is how you create a new neural pathway in your brain. It takes the command and then it has to reflect on the outer world. So you need to stop living from such a lack mindset and start being a delusional queen, because that is how things create. Once you believe it so deeply in your soul that these things can happen for you, it has to happen. So, you know that term, oh, I'll believe it when I see it? Nah. Believe it and then you will see it. The last one is really, really important, especially if you're on your manifestation journey. I will never stop regulating my nervous system. Nervous system regulation is so freaking crucial. I talk about this in my 4-step workshop that you can get at the top of my page. It is the main thing that it needs to become a part of your daily routine. Once triggers pop up, when you're feeling a bit, like the old story is purging through and you're just starting to feel frustrated about something. Or if you're manifesting your specific person or money or a job and things aren't going to plan, regulate your nervous system. Breath work, EFT tapping. I have a playlist with EFT tapping, a video, and it will explain how that works. Breath work, there's so many YouTube videos. If you want me to do a video on breath work, let me know. Meditation, obviously huge. Like, meditate every single morning. It just sets you up for the day and it's amazing. So anytime a trigger pops up, do some breath work. That's probably the easiest one because you can do that wherever and no one knows that you're actually doing it. And just control your reactions. Like, it's not that deep. We don't need to react to every little thing. Remember, when you dominate thoughts, and they create. So stop screwing yourself over and be mindful with the way you react and start being a conscious creator rather than a lazy reactor. That's crucial. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful.